Alright, YouTube, I'm back with another video, another reaction. Again, you scammers are gonna learn, man. If it's on YouTube, it didn't go so well. So this time, we have a lady who stole somebody's bank details and then used it to make her car payments. I don't know. I don't know how many brain cells she got, but that goes right back to you. Like, that ain't even a scam. That's just dumb as hell. But let's get into the video and see exactly what happens and what her excuse is. But yeah.
I do, it's rolling. Yeah, absolutely no problem. Before I start talking to you, though, I'm going to read you your rights, okay?
I'm not answering.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to read you your rights before we start talking, okay?
They showed up to the lady's house. Like,
I'll read it off the card just because I'm old and I can't remember it. I'm sorry. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer or have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I've explained them to you?
Yes.
All right, having these rights in mind, do you wish to answer my questions?
Yes.
Okay, so we're here in regards to a situation, I guess, is regarding to a female that was living with you. Lynn?
Powell.
Miss Powell.
Miss
I can't
Powell.
remember her first name.
All right, so she contacted the sheriff's office yesterday and advised us that at some point routing information and account information was removed from her purse, and then that information was utilized to make a car payment.
No.
Okay, so here's the situation. We've got documentation from the bank showing your name on a wire transfer.
She went out. So she's stayed with me for a month.
Yeah.
So instead of her paying the $300 for rent
Yeah.
and half of a utility, I asked her to go on the computer and pay my car payment, because that's basically what it was. It was $438.
Okay.
And she did so. I pulled up the computer, like the website for her,
Yeah.
and she entered that information. I have no idea what her information is.
Okay, what she's stating is she did not.
Okay, well, what I'm saying is that I haven't.
okay, so she contacted the bank and reported fraud, and she's also contacted the sheriff's office and reported fraud.
Okay.
She stated that she spoke to your husband in regards to the situation, and he stated that you guys combined made the payment to her car company.
I don't even know what you're here for.
Listen, so I'm just explaining to you what we've been told.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, that's incorrect.
Okay, so based on the information we have so far, we are going to take you into custody.
Wow.
Listen to me. You guys, I need you to understand something.
regardless if they agree to do that, the girls can go back anytime and report fraud and call the sheriff's office and file a police report. There's no proof that you guys made that agreement. Why would you let the girl go on your computer and pay your car note? If she had the money to pay your car note, why didn't you just get the cash and then pay your own car note? That was dumb as hell.
Okay, I understand that you're here. She's your friend.
Well, I'm a retired police
We're a
officer.
witness that
I've
she
already
has
spoke
lived
to-
with her.
I'm a retired police officer.
Sure.
What she says is what she says.
Right.
Okay. What she says is what she says.
Right.
So you
And
went.
we also
you
have
went,
documentation
you went and
from the
obtained
bank.
a warrant.
But she
yeah.
did that
Yeah.
herself.
So you went
She
and got
lives
a
with
warrant.
them.
You went and got a warrant for her arrest.
That's correct. We've already spoken to the judge. Warrant process is being completed, and
Okay.
we've also going to be notifying the judge once we have her in custody. That's correct.
Okay. So what I'm at, I know this is being recorded.
Sure.
So her rights is she lived with her. She went on a computer and did it. Okay.
Who did?
Lynn did.
The
I
word
asked her
temple.
to.
Lynn went on the computer and paid the payment.
Okay.
Now that Lynn's got kicked, wait a minute. Now that Lynn's got kicked out of the house,
Uh-huh.
she went and reported this transaction happened.
So then here's my question. Did you see her make the payment?
Did
Now,
you?
but did you see her
No.
take her
But
information?
we've got documentation from the
Okay.
bank. We've got statements from her.
Do you have
and
her
that's why we're
signature?
trying to get in touch with her. It was a wire transfer, so it doesn't require an actual signature.
Exactly.
But the wire transfer has her name on it. She
Because
reported
that's
it
how
as
she
fraud.
paid her.
So here's the deal. You'll be taken into custody
So
today.
you're going to arrest her.
You're going to
Daddy.
listen to me very carefully. You'll have an opportunity. So here's the deal. We tried to do this. Not.
So here's the deal. Just get the cash, man. This shit's pissing me off. Get the cash. Why would you go let her? Oh my god, man. Yo, people can be so smart, but yet so dumb. Like, why would you let her go into your bank account or your car payment login details and then let her make a payment from her bank account when at any point for whatever reason she could have still been living with you guys and would have made those same claims, and now you don't have no proof of the deal happening because that was just a verbal, agreement. She has all the proof, the wire transfer, your name on the car note that was paid from her bank details. What do you have to show proof that like you guys made the deal that? Oh my man. Oh man.
In public.
You
We
didn't
tried to
even
meet
that's
you at
my
your
side of
home.
the point.
We
You're
tried to meet you at the golden pantry.
And
I offered
nobody
to meet you
would
at the sheriff's
take it.
office. You wanted to come here.
She's got to prove.
You are about to take her to jail.
She's
So what's
gotta
going to
prove
She has
happen?
4
this.
kids
I
and
don't
took
know.
this lady
So
out
you'll
on the
have a
street.
first appearance with the judge,
Unbelievable.
and you'll have an opportunity to present your case.
I'm
But
just
as
gonna
of
call
right
James
now,
and ask the OR
Please.
because this
Okay.
is ridiculous.
If that's something you want to do and you have the ability to do that, sir, that's absolutely your right, okay?
I will.
I cannot believe that somebody who
right now with James.
is taken in
Has
off the
helped
streets.
her.
I mean, this
Help her
woman
out.
was
She has
So-
lived with us
This
Go ahead and take her into
for
custody.
years. No,
So-
you can wait.
No,
you can
ma'am.
wait until my kids are
Please,
gone.
please
Please don't do this in front of my kids
Okay, listen,
in the car.
Just come with me to the car. Just walk to me to the car.
But
Debbie.
Wow.
listen, I'm going to
Can
have you
wait for
stand up.
Tim to make his
No,
phone
ma'am.
call?
I'm going to have you stand up.
See, I
I'm
just
gonna
want
have
to
you
take
come
her
with
to
us, okay?
jail.
Ma'am,
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
please stand
Ricky,
up.
please leave with my kids.
Ma'am,
Leave with my kids,
Ricky,
please.
stand up.
Ricky, we will get her out.
Please stand up.
We will get her out.
Debbie.
Please stand up and come with us, okay? I don't want this to turn into a scene. I don't want it to be something in front of your
We
children.
might as well
Okay? Please
He's
come
not
with
doing
us.
anything. This is ridiculous.
Get your ass in the car, lady, man. What the hell?
This is the law at its finest.
Can I talk to James real quick?
Yeah, you're most welcome to, but we're going to take her to the car, okay?
They want to make sure she gets in handcuffs.
James, I
So it goes through the whole
Come over
process.
this way for me,
So
okay?
your deputies are here arresting a friend of mine for
Are your kids in the car?
Yes.
Okay. Just walk back to the back car back here for me. Into the back car over here.
I'm not going to do on the side where my kids will see.
Ma'am, what we're going to do
Just right here.
is we're going to open this door, and then you're just going to handcuff
I just want you to have a seat in the car,
You're
okay?
going to have a seat for me, okay?
Now, if that was me, man, they would have. What? Get your butt in the car. Man. No, for real though. Am I lying? Get in the comments. Let me know if I'm lying.
You don't have anything on your
No.
person that's any kind of weapons or
No.
drugs or anything like that? I'm just going to ask. Make sure there's nothing that goes inside the jail or anything like that, okay? Because those are additional charges.
I mean, do I have to stay till Monday?
No, you'll see. The judge will do a first appearance tomorrow.
Oh, I don't have to stay out 9. I don't have to stay overnight. Please, I'm
me
still
see.
nursing.
Okay.
I have a nursing.
Are you postpartum?
Yes.
Okay,
I
you can leave her on cuff. That's fine.
Okay.
I cannot stay
Fine.
overnight.
We won't handcuff you, ma'am, okay?
I'm not worried about that. I'm worried about who's going to feed my child tonight.
Okay, well,
What date did this whole transaction happen?
The first of the month.
Isn't that interesting? And she's just now, the day that she was asked to leave the house.
They're saying I have to stay overnight. I can't do that.
What date did this transaction happen?
The first of the month when she's.
I don't know if she's like a good actor, but I kind of believe her. Like, I don't know. And I think the cops do too. They're like sympathizing with her, but I kind of believe her. Like, but you don't never know, man. Criminals are some really good actors. So I don't know, man. This is a wild one, honestly.
Just
if you want to go ahead
now.
and shut the door, you can go ahead and head
She
out.
got. You guys don't even listen. Wow.
Our goal
Like
is
your
just to
point
get her
is to go to
transported
jail.
as quickly as possible to avoid having to sign it.
3619 in Coney. In custody with one female en route to 300J, begin a mileage of 119751.
Alright, that's about it. They're just about to book her and go through the process of whatnot. But yo, that's a wild one, man. Look, I would never do that, man. And that's for anything. Don't let nobody pay your cell phone bill with their own bank account details, your car note, anything like that, man. If they owe you money, do not make no type of deal like that. Get the cash and pay it yourself. Cause at any time they can pull a stunt like that, go back to their bank and be like, "Yo, I never authorized this payment to come out of my account for Jane Doe. So I would like to report fraud." And then all they gotta do is call the police station, do the police report, and boom, you're on the hook. And obviously it's gonna be a friend that does some type of transaction like that. So your friend will throw you under the bus, like, man. So let that be a learned lesson, man. I hope a lot of people see this just so you can understand, how the banking system work as far as letting other people make transactions for you on your behalf into a different account, because the owner of that banking, the owner of the bank account can always go back and be like, I didn't authorize this, and whoever's name is on the other end is gonna become on the hook. But get in the comments, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. This one was a crazy one. This was pretty interesting, but let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one.